Craigslist may not be the first platform you think of for lead generation, but with the right strategy, it can be a goldmine for reaching potential customers and boosting your sales. Let's dive into the process of attracting quality leads to your e-commerce store via Craigslist. Step 1. The first step to generating leads on Craigslist is crafting engaging and clear ads. Start by writing a compelling headline that grabs attention. Keep it concise but informative, and ensure it highlights the key benefit or unique selling proposition of your product. In the ad body, use clear language and bullet points to describe your product, its features, and how it addresses customers' pain points. Remember to include high-quality images that showcase your product attractively. Always include a clear call to action, prompting users to visit your e-commerce site or contact you for more details. Step 2. Choose the right category and location. Selecting the correct category and location for your Craigslist ad is crucial. Craigslist has a wide range of categories, and posting in the right one helps your ad reach the right audience. For e-commerce, categories like for sale, services, and even community can be relevant, depending on what you're offering. Similarly, consider the geographical location of your target market. If your products are available for local delivery, choose a region where you can serve customers efficiently. If your e-commerce store ships nationwide or internationally, posting in major metropolitan areas can help maximize visibility. Step 3. Optimize your ad with keywords. To generate more leads, optimize your ad with relevant keywords. This not only helps with Craigslist's internal search, but also enhances the chance of your ad appearing in search engine results. Think about the terms your potential customers might use when searching for your products. Include these keywords naturally within the ad title and description. However, avoid keyword stuffing, as it can make your ad look unprofessional and spammy. The goal is to strike a balance between readability and searchability. Step 4. Update and renew your ads regularly. Craigslist ads can quickly get buried in the list, so updating and renewing them regularly is key to maintaining visibility. The platform allows you to renew ads every 48 hours, pushing them back to the top of the list. Regular updates can incorporate new information such as special promotions, testimonials, or seasonal messages. Staying active on the platform not only increases your chances of generating more leads, but it also builds your brand's presence on Craigslist over time. In conclusion, knowing how to generate leads on Craigslist for e-commerce can be a powerful tool in your business's growth strategy. By crafting engaging ads, choosing the right category and location, optimizing with keywords, and regularly updating your postings, you can tap into a new audience and drive more traffic to your e-commerce site. Remember to keep track of your ad performance and iterate on what works best. With persistence and a strategic approach, Craigslist can become a valuable asset in your marketing toolkit. Happy advertising.